Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the new lesson of maths. Okay. Today we'll learn about calendar. In calendar we'll learn about year, months, weeks and about days. Okay. Children, we know that there are 7 days in a week. Yes, there are 7 days in a week and the days are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Yes, and there are 12 months in a year. Can you recall the months, children? There are total 12 months in a year. Which are the months, children? 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months of the year. Okay, and in a year there are 52 weeks. Okay, there are 52 weeks in a year. So here there are 12 months in a year and there are 52 weeks. These are about weeks. Okay, 12 months are there and 52 weeks are there in a year. Okay, and year has 365 days. There are 365 days in a year and leap year has 366 days. Okay, leap year means, children, this leap year occurs every after 4 years. Okay, and in leap year there are 366 days. Okay, now we have to remember that there are 7 days in a week and 52 weeks in a year. Okay, 7 days in a week and 52 weeks in a year and 12 months in a year and 365 days in a year. Okay, remember like this, there are 7 days in a week and there are 365 days in a year. This is about week and this is year. Okay, and there are 52 weeks in a year and 12 months in a year. Okay, and leap year has 366 days. Okay, now see next one. Look at the calendar, count the months, write their names and the number of days they have. There are dash months in a year. How many months are there, children? There are 12 months in a year. Okay, now children, we have to write down here which is the first month, its name and how many days it has. Okay, see here we have to write down the months, its name and the days it has. Okay, see first month is January. Yes, and January has 31 days. In January 31 days will be there. Okay, January has 31 days and second month is February. Write the spellings correctly. Okay, February, February, and in February there are 28 days. Okay, 28 days in a February, and if leap year occurs then there are 29 days in a February. If leap year occurs then there will be 29 days in the month of February, and in leap year total 366 days. That one extra day will come in February. Okay, then third month is January, February, and then third month is March. M-A-R-C-H, March. Okay, and in March there will be total 31 days. Okay, then fourth month is April. A-P-R-I-L, April, and in April month 30 days will be there. Okay, and in April 30 days are there. Fifth month is May. M-A-Y, May, and in May 31 days will be there. Okay, see January 31, February 28 or 29. Okay, and in leap year 29 days. Okay, and leap year occurs every after 4 years. Okay, and in March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, then 6th month is June. June, June, and in June 30 days will be there. Okay, 6th month is June, and in June 30 days will be there. Next month is July. 7th month is July, 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 and in July 31 days will be there. Okay, 31 days in July. Then 8th month is August. August, August, and in August there are 31 days. Okay, in August there are total 31 days. And 9th month is September. September, September. Okay, and in September 30 days will be there. Then 10th month is October. October, October, and in October 31 days will be there. And 11th month is November. November, November, and in November 30 days will be there. And 12th month is, last month is December. December, December, and in December 31 days will be there. Okay, this is about the 12 months and the days in the months. Okay, January 31 days, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, and December 31. Okay, see your children, from January to July, in every alternative month there is 31. Yes, see here, 31, first is 31, third 31, fifth 31, and 7th month 31. Yes, every alternative month 31 days are there, and in between only in February 28 or 29. Otherwise in between 30 days will be there. Okay, and from August again 31 will start. Okay, 31, every alternative day from alternative month from August 31. See here, 31, 31, and 31. Yes, 8th month, 10th and 12th month 31, and in the September 30, and in the November 30. Okay, like this you need to remember this. Now see next exercise, and the exercise is, how many days are there in the present month? Look at the calendar and fill in the dates. See here, this month is December. Yes, we have to write the December month's calendar and fill in the dates. Okay, we have to write the dates here. Okay, and we have to answer for this following questions. Okay, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, see here, this is year 2020. Yes, and month, 12th month, that is December. Right here, December. 12th month, December, that is December. And December 1 was on Tuesday. Okay, it was on Tuesday. We have to look at the calendar and we have to write the dates. Okay, 1, then 2nd was on Wednesday, 3rd, 4th, 5th day, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and December will have 31 days. So write next 31. Okay, so this is December month calendar now. Okay, it has started from Tuesday Okay, now see here, they have given the days, only we have filled the dates in this. Okay, and see the next exercise, observe the above month, means this month, December month, fill in the blanks. See, first question, there are dash Sundays in the month of dash. This is December month, and we have to see now how many Sundays are there. See, this is Sunday. Yes, now see how many days are Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 Sundays in the month of December. Okay, 2020. Okay, next, there are dash weeks in the month of dash. How many weeks are there, children? There are 4 weeks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, and these 3 days are extra. Okay, if we keep these 2 days here, then these 3 days will be extra. So 4 weeks, it has 4 weeks in the month of December. There are 4 weeks in the month of December. Okay, the first day of the week is Tuesday. Right, Tuesday. Then the last day of the week is Thursday. Okay, next here, 30 days of September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31, except February alone has 28 or 29 days in a leap year. 29 in a leap year. Okay, same which I have explained here. Okay, now this you will fill up, write down how many months are there in a year, how many days are there in a year, and how many weeks are there in a year, and how many days are there in 1 week. Okay, now see the next exercise. Let us look at this year's calendar and answer this question. Okay, we have to look at the 2020 calendar and answer these questions. Okay, see A1, is this year a leap year? Is this year a leap year? Check the calendar, children. This is leap year or no? How to find that it is leap year or no? See, if in February month 29 days are then we should understand that it is leap year. Okay, so write 2020 is a leap year. Right here, yes, and in bracket write down 2020. Okay, because we are looking at the 2020 calendar. Okay, is this year a leap year? Yes, it is a leap year. Next question, when will the next leap year fall? What I have told, children, when leap year falls, every after 4 years leap year falls. Yes, so when will the next leap year fall? See, now it is leap year. Now next after 4 years, in every after 4 years leap year falls. Then see here, 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024. Every after 4 years means in 2024 next leap year falls. Okay, and in leap year 366 days. Yes, next, how many days does a leap year have? Write down the answer. Okay, how many days does a leap year have? Which day does August 15 fall on? Open your calendar, 2020 calendar, and check which day was 15 August and write that day here. Okay, next, on which day will Christmas be celebrated? Write down on which day Christmas celebrated. Okay, you have to open your calendar and write down. Okay, on which day will Children's Day be celebrated? Write down here which day Children's Day we celebrate. Okay, Children's Day we celebrate. Next, name the month you attend school for the most number of days. In which month you attend the school more number of days, you have to write here. Okay, and least number of days you attend for the school, you have to write down that month here. Okay, Write down these two. On which day your school celebrates its Founders Day? This I'll tell you. Our school celebrates its Founders Day on 5th January. Okay, on 5th January our school celebrates its Founders Day. Okay. Next, when will you have the midterm break? In which month you will have the midterm break, children? In the October month. Okay. Right, yeah, October. In which month will you have the class picnic? We go for picnic in the month of November or December. Okay, write down November or December. In which month will you have the sports day? We have sports day in the month of December. Okay. In which month does your birthday fall? Write down here. On which month your birthday fall down, that you need to write down. Okay. Fill this all. Okay. And send me. Thank you.